Today I'm going to be making a spicy bean soup in the Ninja Soup Maker. So start by adding an onion and 2 cloves of garlic to the soup maker and then set it off on the chop function. This way the onions and garlic will be chopped up as small as possible. Obviously you could do it by hand instead. Then next we're going to be adding a tin of chopped tomatoes, or you could use fresh tomatoes and a little tomato puree. Then you need to add a tin of mixed beans, or you could just use one type of beans such as kidney or pinto or chickpea, etc. Now it's time to add some spices. So I added 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of ground coriander. Then I added some stock. I've recently started using this type of vegetable stock, which I really like. I've added 3 teaspoons directly to the soup maker and then topped up the remaining space with some hot water. So then set the soup maker off on chunky, or you could do it on smooth if you prefer. At the end, I gave it a really quick short blend to thicken up the consistency a little bit. And my favourite topping for this soup is stirring in some grated mozzarella cheese and then dipping in some tortilla chips. It tastes really good. Hope you enjoy this soup maker recipe, and I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel for more recipes.